Hey everyone, back to a new awesome video, and today we're going to start with a series of shorts about the derivative formulas. Today we will treat the derivative of x squared. First of all, we have the definition of our derivative and we're going to plug our function in. So we will have the limit as delta x goes to 0 of x plus delta x squared minus x squared over delta x. Now we can expand our square and we will find that this is the limit when delta x goes to 0 of x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus x squared, all of it over delta x. We see that we can make some cancellations, x squared with x squared, and now the delta x dividing goes over here, delta squared, and with that delta x. By doing this, now if we take the limit as delta x goes to 0, this term stays the same as it doesn't have any delta x, and this term goes to 0. So we have that our derivative equals 2x. So ddx of x squared equals 2x, just as the power rule says.